Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. Do you want to start active pharmaceutical ingredients industry or expanding an existing one? Or simply just learn more about how to start a business in a variety of industries? Well, then you have come to the right place and you must watch the entire video with us. And today, we will show you why you should start active pharmaceutical ingredients manufacturing industry. If you are ready to start your own active pharmaceutical ingredients manufacturing industry, you need to know how NPCS can assist you. NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation in this ever-changing market. And we have been following a strict system and procedure to ensure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations. NPCS also publishes a monthly magazine, Entrepreneur India, since 1995, which is widely read by entrepreneurs, businessmen, etc. If you are choosing to invest in active pharmaceutical ingredients, this industry refers to the production of the chemical ingredients used in the creation of pharmaceutical drugs and other medicines. The pharmaceuticals and biotechnology industries are among some of today's most innovative and profitable sectors. There are several reasons why getting into pharmaceutical manufacturing is a good idea right now. Here are 3 key ones. 1. New growth drivers. 2. Aging population. 3. Many companies are consolidating. The global market for active pharmaceutical ingredient has been estimated at $11.2 billion in 2014 and is anticipated to reach $16.3 billion by 2023, registering a CAGR of 6.9% from 2015 to 2023. Key factors driving growth of API market include increased prevalence of chronic diseases, increasing geriatric population base, and growing demand for generic drugs. In addition, growth in biologics market is further expected to fuel overall market growth over next few years. The manufacturing process of active pharmaceutical ingredients in a pharmaceutical industry consists of a few distinct steps. 1. API compounding. 2. API sterilization. 3. API formulation. 4. API packaging, and 5. API distribution. This will help you create a blueprint for starting your own active pharmaceutical ingredients business. NIIR Project Consultancy Services has prepared project reports on active pharmaceutical ingredients industry. The project report includes all part of the business, from market analysis to confirming the availability of numerous necessities such as equipment and machinery, raw materials, and financial projections. Engineers, project consultants, and industrial consultancy businesses from all over the world have profited from the NPCS project report. NPCS also publishes technical, reference, self-employment and startup publications, a directory, company and industry database, and much more, all of which will be found on the official website. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you have enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like it. Also, click on the bell icon. Please visit to our website for more information. And you can also reach us at You can follow us on other social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google My Business, ScribeD, SlideShare, Links are given below in the description. So, see you again. Till then, goodbye.